It's fried. Now let's cut it open. See what it's like.
3,
2,
1.
1. Maybe you hold the camera. And what's it like inside? Ooh. Yum. So tell me how it tastes. Oh, maybe we need sauce. Uh-oh. The sauce. No. Oops. Is it gum with the sauce?
Yeah.
Is it better with the sauce?
Yeah.
Ooh. It's gomadare. Sauce. どんぐらい硬い? It's very, you can see it's like paper.
It's like plastic.
Yeah, right? Okay, put it in the water, get it soft. Okay. Have any normal seaweed for making sushi, so we're using these little seaweeds that it says umibe no shio, so salt from on the shore, and olive oils. So it's flavored little snack seaweed that you can just eat on your own. Thin layer of rice. I already made these tofu. I froze them and then defrosted them and then cut them thinly and put them,
Here.
I sauteed them on both sides with olive oil and then added a tablespoon of, what was it? A tablespoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of mirin. So now we put some cucumbers on.
And carrots.
Oh, and some avocado. Hold on. I put some avocado on. We're going to put some carrots or ninjin. And then how I'm going to do this is that I'm going to put another layer of rice and then 2 more things of seaweed. So there's that. And then I'm going to put 2 more pieces of, that is 2 pieces, isn't it? No, it's 1. Of the seaweed. And then we're gonna, oh, maybe I made it too wet. We're gonna wrap it up tightly. So this is an adaptation of a recipe I saw on Instagram by the Vegan Couch. I don't know what sauces they were using, and I don't know what kind of nori they were using. Yeah, it doesn't have to look as pretty. It still tastes good. Oopsie, I got the rice paper a bit
wet.
Yeah. So it looks like that. Then we're gonna dip. Wow. We're gonna dip this in some sesame
And tray. Ah!
You want to do it? Yeah? And then the other side? Woo! Okay, and then are you going to put the yummy thing? We put some... Here, wait, let's use these tongs. And I've already heated up some sesame oil. We're going to let it fry on both sides till it's crispy! Let's make another one. Get out. Are you going to put it... Ooh, watch your hands.
Yes.
And flip it over?
Oh.
I think it can go a little longer. Yeah, good idea. So here's doing a bunch all at the same time. They're gonna be yummy. This one I wanted to cook a bit more. Come on, it's easy. Give it a go.